close into my dream.
Hi guys, it's Tashay and I am back with another Mask Monday. Mask Monday. I ain't did that in a minute. Today's mask is Creme of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This is what it looks like. This is in a lot of people's holy grail of deep conditioners. Now, background on this. I have had this since last year, like since January last year, and I got it from the beauty supply store for $5.99. I'm pretty sure it's still the same price. Creme of Nature is always reasonable, but I was new into the natural hairstyle life. Now, I have not had a perm or anything like that, but I wasn't wearing my hair curly, so I did use this, but as you can see, I used it. I think my little sister used it also as well. So it's not on me. I only used it once. But I was not looking for the benefits of deep conditioning. I was doing it because it was a part of natural hair. It's what you do. So I wasn't looking like, does it moisturize? Does it leave your hair soft? How does it smell? You know, it was just you need a deep conditioner after you shampoo and condition. So I'm about to give this another ring because I literally do not know how it works. It's literally almost 2 years later. Literally almost 2 years later. My hair kind of dried out a little bit. So the smell is I don't even know what kind of smell to describe this. It's not bad, but it's not fruity or anything. The consistency is thick. Oh my God, I love it. I love the consistency. The smell, I could take it or leave it. It's melting in my hair. Definitely melting in my hair. Yeah. Passing the detangling test. I'm shedding hair. Fingers can pretty much glide right through. Oh, the smell isn't bad when she put it on. I did use their whatever it was that I used. I think it was the twist curl pudding. Literally don't even remember. I did some mini twists, but I kept it in a hat the whole time. But I think I was supposed to take it out. Okay, curl definition. A lot of people videos that I watched said they didn't care for the smell, but to me, like, it's literally not like, oh my God, this smell is hideous. Like, once you put it on your hair, you can't even smell it. It was just, once you put it to your nose, it was almost like an old people smell. Like, not like a stink old people smell, but like a, you know, this is an old person's house type deal. So do the rest of my hair, put my hot head on. Y'all, my twists be so juicy. And once I rinse it out, I will let you guys know how I feel about it. So this is my hair all rinsed out. It feels rehydrated. Because my hair did feel a little dry from products that I used. So I definitely would recommend this product. I am probably not as, how can I put it? I'm probably not as in love with it as everybody else. Probably won't make my holy grail. This was only one time really testing it out the right way. But it does strengthens, imparts moisture, and prevents hair breakage. It has shine, nourishment, and protection. The argan oil from Morocco does. I don't see if it says no sulfates or parabens. Water, glycerin, it has alcohol in it. Yeah. Don't know if it'll make my holy grail deep conditioners, but it is a good deep conditioner. My hair is soft. It does feel moisturized. Yeah, it just, yeah, I would recommend it though. And for the price of $5.99, definitely would recommend it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. It is my birthday month and I am trying to get to 80 subscribers. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.